Hello students, today let us see the anions of carbon. In my previous videos, I have discussed about positively charged carbon and the factors affecting the carbonium ion, which is the positively charged carbon, and I have explained different applications. Now let us see the anions of carbon, that is the carbanion. Carbon plus anion is carbanion. Negatively charged carbon. Carbon anion is negatively charged carbon is called negatively charged carbon is called carbanion. It is formed in heterolytic cleavage in which the carbon is bonded to less electronegative atom. It is also a heterolytic cleavage similar to carbonium ion formation, but here the bond between carbon and less electronegative atom. For example, if we see CH, let it be Y. This Y is less electronegative atom. Less electronegative atom. So, this carbon is more electronegative though, so this bonded pair of electrons will move towards the carbon making CH3 minus and Y plus. Generally, this Y, this less electronegative atom may be a metal ion like lithium, methyl lithium. We can take methyl lithium. It undergoes heterolytic cleavage to form CH3 minus plus Li plus. It is a carbanion. Okay. Coming to the structure of carbanion. In this, carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization. In the carbonium ion formation, carbon undergoes sp2 hybridization and shape of carbonium ion is plain R1. But here in carbanion formation, carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization and the shape of molecule is pyramidal. It is similar to the structure of ammonia. It resembles the structure of ammonia, which has a lone pair of electron. It is similar to this one, NH3 with lone pair, which is CH3 with negative charge. Negative charge is nothing but a lone pair of electrons. So its shape is similar to ammonia structure, that is it has pyramidal shape. And how many electrons it has? It has 8 electrons. Carbon 3 bond pair of electrons and 1 lone pair of electron. So it has 8 electrons. Okay students, there are different factors which influence the stability of carbanions. The factors affecting the stability of carbanions, these are inductive effect, hyperconjugation, resonance and electronegativity. We have seen these factors. These factors also influence the stability of carbonium ions. This inductive effect, hyperconjugation and resonance. And along with these three here, electronegativity also affects the stability of carbanions. Now let us see. The stability order for carbonium ions is tertiary C plus greater than secondary C plus greater than primary C plus. C plus is carbonium ion. Tertiary carbonium ion is more stable than secondary carbonium ion, which is more stable than primary, which is more stable than methyl carbonium ion. But in case of carbanions, the reverse is the order of stability. The primary carbanion is more stable than secondary carbanion, which is more stable than tertiary carbanion. The reason is, in the primary carbanion, only hydrogens are present. And in the secondary carbanion, 1 methyl group is present and 2 hydrogens are present. And in the tertiary, in secondary 2 methyl groups are present and in tertiary 3 methyl groups are present around the C minus. Now, what is the nature of alkyl groups? Alkyl groups are electron releasing groups. They increase the electron density on the carbon. So, in the primary carbanion, there are no alkyl groups which can increase the electron density on the C minus. So, it is more stable, and here there are two alkyl groups which will increase the electron density on the carbanion. Already this carbon is with negative sign, negatively charged. Electron density is more on the carbon here, and these methyl groups are also increasing the electron density, which will destabilize this site. So, it is less stable, and here there are 3 alkyl groups which will increase the electron density more on the C minus site. So, the stability order is primary carbanion greater than secondary greater than tertiary. And this is the example for inductive effect, and we can give this for the hyperconjugation also. Hyperconjugation is no bond resonance, is the displacement of sigma bonded electrons. It is a transfer of sigma bonded electrons. If there are 9 alpha hydrogens here, so that means 9 hyperconjugative structures are possible for tertiary, which will destabilize the tertiary carbanion. So it is less stable, and next comes the primary carbanion is more stable, and next comes secondary carbanion, and next comes tertiary carbanion. So with this example, we have seen the effect, inductive effect and hyperconjugation. Now let us see these examples in which resonance effect is seen. This is the benzyl carbanion, this is allyl carbanion. In this negative charge can be distributed. It can be distributed in the benzene ring. So it gives 4 resonance structures it gives, and so it is more stable. And in the allyl carbanion, the resonance structure, only 2 resonance structures are possible. So which will be more stable? The one which gives more number of resonance structures will be more stable. So A is more stable than B. A is more stable than B in this example. Okay, students. Now coming to the next example, this is benzyl carbanion, and the second one is a nitro group is substituted, OH group is substituted, and CH3 group is substituted. Now the first one, we will discuss this later. This is NO2 group is an electron withdrawing group. NO2 group is an electron withdrawing group, and as there is negative charge, the charge distribution will be more if an electron withdrawing group is present on the benzene ring. So among this, and this OH and CH3 groups are electron releasing groups. These are electron releasing groups, so they will destabilize the negatively charged carbon. But this NO2 group will stabilize the negative charge present on the carbon. So para-nitro benzyl carbonium ion is more stable. B is more stable among all these 4 structures. Now next comes what? This first structure A has no groups on the para position. So these are electron releasing groups. They will destabilize the benzyl carbanion. So next comes B is more stable than A, and among C and D, which will be more effective? Whose effect will be more? This OH group is, it has 2 lone pairs of electrons. It destabilizes the methyl carbanion by donating its electron pair. That means it shows the plus R effect. it shows the plus R effect. And in D, there are no lone pairs of electrons. It destabilizes the benzyl carbanion by hyperconjugation. It has 3 alpha hydrogens. So, it will destabilize by hyperconjugation, and it can show the inductive effect also, but inductive effect is distance dependent. So, this is the 1, 2, 3, at up to 3rd position only inductive effect can be seen. But this is far away, so inductive effect is not applicable in this case. Right? So, we have to consider the hyperconjugative effect. Hyperconjugation is given by 3 alpha hydrogens. But among resonance effect and hyperconjugative effect, which is more effective? In the previous video we have seen resonance will overweigh the hyperconjugation, which overweighs the inductive effect. So, destabilization by OH group is greater than methyl group. Therefore, the destabilization is more destabilized than D. So, B greater than A, greater than D, greater than C. This is the order of their stability. Okay, students, I think you got the point. It depends on whether the groups are electron releasing groups or electron withdrawing groups. Electron withdrawing groups will increase the stability of carbanions, and electron releasing groups will destabilize the carbanions. Okay. Now let us see what is the effect of electronegativity and aromatic nature in these examples. Electronegativity, here in this is ethynyl carbanion. It has a double bond, and in the next one it has a triple bond. This is ethynyl, a triple bonded carbanion. In this double bonded structure, the carbon undergoes sp2 hybridization. Both the carbons undergoes sp2 hybridization. And in the second one, the carbon undergoes sp hybridization. Which carbon is more electronegative? The sp carbon is more electronegative because the S character is more in sp hybridization. With the increase of S character, electronegativity increases. That point we know very well. So, in the second example, let it be B and A. In this is more electronegative, this carbon, so this charge will be distributed more towards the more electronegative element, more electronegative carbon. And in the first one, the electronegativity of this carbon is less, so the charge distribution is less compared to the second one, second structure. So, what is the order of stability? Wherever the charge distribution is more, that will be more stable. So, B is more stable than A in this case. Okay, students. Now, in the second example, this is the aromatic compound. This is the aromatic structure, and this is also aromatic with, this is benzyl group. This is benzyl group, CH2 group attached to the benzene ring. Benzene itself is aromatic, and this CH2 minus will increases the aromaticity of the benzene ring. But here you see, this lone pair of electrons is involved in the resonance. Without this lone pair, there is no resonance possible for this structure. This lone pair is increasing, the lone pair is responsible for the aromaticity of the structure A of this compound. This lone pair, without lone pair, it cannot behave like aromatic. This lone pair is causing the aromatic nature in this structure, but in B, the benzene ring itself is aromatic, and this CH2 group is increasing It is not becoming the reason for the aromatic nature of the benzene ring. So, this compound is more stable, A is more stable than B because this lone pair is responsible for the aromatic nature of the structure A. And here this lone pair is the negative charge on this carbon is not responsible for the aromatic nature of the structure. So, A is more stable than B in these two examples. If the lone pair is responsible for the aromatic nature, then that will be more stable. Here, this lone pair is not responsible. It is just increasing the aromatic nature. So, B is less stable than A. Okay. So, based on all these effects, we can give the stability order of carbanions in this manner. Aromatic greater than benzylic, greater than allylic, greater than ethynyl. Ethynyl means C triple bond C minus, and ethynyl C double bond C minus. Primary alkyl, secondary alkyl and tertiary alkyl. This is the order of stability of carbanions. Okay students, all these points are very important to assign the stability order for the given examples in the entrance exams. All these will be very useful for NEET and JEE mains and many other entrance examinations. Okay students, hope you find this video very useful. Have a nice day. Thank you.